welcome to IDL 7140 LMS and Evaluations. We are in week 2 of evaluating our 2 LMS platforms, and today we are looking at the attendance tool in Canvas. Now, Canvas has a very nice attendance tool, very easy to use. So what you would do is you would start by coming to your courses here and then selecting a course. And we're going to use one that we just created in another video called Test Course Activation. Once we're in there, we will scroll down on this left side navigation bar to attendance and select that. And it will come up. Now, one thing that you will not see is all of the functionality in this video, and that is because we are unable to add test users. So we don't have users in here where I can show you all the functionality, but we would start by selecting here, and it'll check that the test course is the name of the test course activation is active. So that course is now active to take attendance. You have some options here. You can either view your class by list or by seating chart, which is really cool. So if you use a seating chart, you can use that here. We're going to go back to list for right now. Now, say you have your list of all your students present. There are some options where what you would do is, say you're on your first student right here. If you click once on their name, it will show a green check mark to show that they were present. Click twice, it will show a red X to show that they were absent. Click 3 times, you're going to get a yellow check mark, and that is going to show that they were tardy. And then if you select 4 times, there will be a gray no symbol icon, meaning that there was an excused absence, and that's how that can be used. So all you have to do is when you're on the student, you just click through until you get the icon that you want to utilize for that student. Or if everybody was present, you can just select this mark all present option right here, and you can deselect that as well. You can do the same then in your seating chart. You can go to each one and click through, or you can even come through and take attendance when you have them in here and mark them how you want to mark them, or mark them all as present. You have the ability to navigate between days right here. Hopefully nobody's coming in on Saturdays if this is like a K through 12 setting. And that is about it for the attendance tool. It is very user friendly, and it's actually, the seating chart view is kind of fun. So I hope that helped looking at the Canvas attendance tool, and please join us for more how-to videos. We'll see you next time. Thanks.